Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is all about Durgapujo and Navratri makeup look. I did a poll on my Instagram page and you guys selected me to do a Navratri look. So this is what I was able to achieve, and if you want to know how I created this beautiful glowing makeup look, please continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So the first step I like to do is to prime my face, and today I'm using Maybelline Master Prime in Blur and Smooth. I like to apply this primer as it helps to hide the pores and help to even out my skin tone. I like to apply it around my cheeks, around my nose and little bit around my forehead because those are the areas where I need to hide my pores. After applying the primer, I'm going to conceal the dark circles and redness around my nose with the help of LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Pure Beige. You need a very little amount of this concealer as it is super pigmented, full coverage and creamy. I like to use my damp beauty blender to set the concealer in place, and I use the dabbing motion to just achieve a creaseless base. After that, I'm going to further set my concealer with the help of Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and using the same damp beauty blender, I'm going to just bake my under eye area. Now with the help of Pac powder brush, I'm going to dust off any excess powder which is applied on my face. This makes sure that your under eye does not appear very dry. I really like using Pac powder brush because they are really precise. And now I'm going to apply a Wet n Wild concealer in shade Light as a base for my eyeshadow. This helps my eyeshadow to pop up really well, and it also holds the eyeshadow in place. Today I will be using Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and I'm selecting a shade which is very close to my skin tone to just set the concealer which I applied on my eyelid. Now I'm going to pick Eden as my transition shade, and I'm just focusing it into my crease and not going above or below the crease. After that, I'm going to pick a darker shade named Amber and focusing it into the outer corner and just swiping it into the crease towards my inner corner and not going below or above the crease. Make sure that no harsh line appears, so blend the eyeshadow really well. Now I'm taking a shade named Saffron and just focusing it into the outer corner of my eye and just defining and darkening the crease. Now I'm taking a flat brush and applying some setting spray to hold the glitters, and this will make sure that there are no fallouts. Now I'm taking a shade named Navratri. This is a golden shimmer shade, and I'm applying it in the inner corner of my eyes. Using a setting spray, make sure that there's no fallout and your glitters appear really nicely. Now I'm taking an angle brush and just defining my cut crease with the help of the saffron shade. Now I'm taking a shade Saffron again and applying it into my lower lash line. After that, I'm going to finish off this eye look with the help of eyeliner, and I'm doing a dramatic winged eyeliner. Today I'm using Makeup Revolution pen eyeliner as this is really precise and easy to use, so that you can easily create a winged eyeliner. Makeup Revolution products are really good and affordable. I like to use this pen eyeliner whenever I'm in hurry, and this gives you such a perfect winged eyeliner. I'm going to apply some mascara. Today I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is a waterproof mascara and it gives you a really nice curl and lengthening effect to your eyelashes. Now I'm going to apply kajal by Bonjure Beauty, and after that I'm going to finish off this eye look with the help of a false eyelashes, and today I'm using Pac eyelashes in number 73. To complete the entire makeup look, I'm going to apply the foundation by Clinique. This is their Even Better foundation in shade medium, and I'm using a flat foundation brush to just spread the foundation all over my face. I like to use a flat foundation brush first because that gives you a full coverage effect, and after applying the foundation with the help of a brush, I like to use a damp beauty blender to make sure that the foundation looks very natural. After that, I like to set my foundation with the help of a loose powder, and to further set my base, I'm using a makeup setting spray by NYX. Now going to apply some blush, and this is by Try Sugar, and this is in shade Salmon Superstar. Today, as we are doing a red lip, I'm going to outline my lip with the help of Miss Clair lip pencil, and to fill in my lips I'm using Lakme 3D matte lip color, and this is in shade Red Party, and I'm going to further set this lipstick with the help of Always On liquid lipstick by Smashbox. This is in shade Boss. Without applying a bindi, an Indian makeup look can never be completed. Now I'm going to apply some highlighter to complete this entire makeup look, and today I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in shade Molten Gold. That's it guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I absolutely love how the makeup turned out, especially the base, and look how glowing my skin is looking. I'm totally in love with this look. This is the first time I'm doing this kind of traditional look, and I absolutely love wearing sari. This is such a gorgeous sari. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below what are your suggestions and feedback. Let me know what else or what other tutorial you guys want me to create, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye guys.